It's so interesting that the Dow finally flips up with IBM still down, and indeed IBM moving lower as we approach the closing bell, right? IBM is worth a whopping 10% of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. There are 30 stocks on there, and IBM is worth a full tenth of that. So it's very interesting after they miss their profit forecast, and I can only add this superlative again. For the first time since 2005, they haven't missed a quarterly profit forecast since 2005. That's a big deal for IBM. McDonald's also a big loser today on the Dow. It's taking 15 to 20 points off the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this company is, in fact, taking more points off of the Dow than any other company is adding to the Dow, even though they're 25 gainers today. They had same-store sales falling in the U.S. So it doesn't look good for McDonald's. It does look good for a company in which McDonald's has an investment. Chipotle Mexican Grill came out with sales growth, double-digit sales growth, in fact, as they're adding stores. So it's not same-store sales growth in double digits, but they're adding stores across the country. They're growing fast. Investors like that big time, bidding it up. 12%, the biggest gainer in percentage terms on the S&P 500. This is the biggest gainer on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Actually, Microsoft, you can see up 3.5%. I just want to mention Google up 4.5%. As I was talking to you both about at the beginning of the show, these companies were big weights on the indexes, helping the indexes to come down yesterday. And because they beat on their profit forecast, their profit estimates yesterday after the bell, they've really lifted the market today. In fact, tech stocks as a group, as an industry group, are down or at least little changed. One of the only two industry groups that are down or little changed in the S&P 500. But these two tech stocks are helping to lift the S&P, the NASDAQ, and Microsoft, of course, helping to lift the Dow as well.